if f is a continuous odd function, that's odd, that's not normally there, but that must mean something, for which 0 to 3, so that just the regular integral, regular net change is 4, what is the average value of f between negative 3 to 3? So this integral only goes from 0 to 3, but the interval here goes from negative 3 to 3. With an odd function, that is a key vocab word that we did learn you would learn last year in pre-calc. And so the equation for just one example of an odd function would look like x cubed, or any odd power here. You'll notice a graph of any odd function has symmetry about the origin. And so one side is positive and the other side is negative. That's always the case. It might be flipped, but still there's always one part up and one part down. So if I found the net change from, or the signed area, either way you look at it, from 0 to 3, this region would be a positive 4. Therefore, if I went from negative 3, this half would have to be a negative 4 area. So that means if I found the average value from negative 3 to negative 3, the integral would have to go from negative 3 to 3 for that function. And we can see that the signed area between negative 3 to 3 would just be a value of 0. So even though this is 1/6, this signed area value is all going to be 0, giving us a final answer of 0. I know it doesn't say even function here, but let's say we were talking about an even function. I'm putting a little note over here of an even would look something like x squared. So on this side and this side are both up or both down. So if this side had been positive 4 area for that region, then this side would have been positive 4 area on that, equally perfectly symmetrical. So you could have solved the same problem, it just would have had double the area here.